Tower is that? Next to opposite Battery Road.
Oh,
Okay, Snapchat building. Yes. Yeah, Xinglan Tower. Okay. Yeah. So you know, it's no issue for you. Okay, so what she do is that she will actually take a bus. Later I'll show you. We take later I drive out. I'll show you where's the bus stop, and it's only 2 bus stops to the MRT.
Go on with number 12.
Yes, you can. Okay, or you like I said, you can always also take a slow walk, but you can take bus. You can always take a bus. Yeah, and you know, you actually can download the apps. Yeah. So no problem. You can always check. So no issue if she can do this every day. It's okay. Yeah, it's alright. Yeah. But like I said, you know, you are getting value for money for this place. Yeah. And you see the color tone and